Greetings, greetings, greetings. How no do? A long time we no see me, don't it? Yeah, man. But for the entire month of May, except for day one, we have been celebrating our children. Every day, except for the 1st of May, we have had a child reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Yeah, man, the picnic them did really go on good. I read to it and make we hear God a talk to it in the Jamaican language every day in a May. We want to thank the parents because of them make it possible, and the teachers too who worked with the children for make them coulda read and really bless we heart the way they did. Yeah, we celebrate our children. So I want us, even though we are now in June, yes, this is June 1, 2025, I want do a special reading for bless the picnic them. I'm going to read one passage where it tell about how Jesus did heal one little girl. And you know say, yeah, Yeshua did have one special place in him heart for the picnic them. All when the disciple them want chase them away and tell them to go about them business, Jesus say, make them come, make them come. The kingdom of heaven come in like one of them little picnic. So, me go read one special passage for them now. So today, me go read from Mark chapter 5 and me go start from verse 21. After that, Jesus go back across Lake Galilee in a one boat. When he reached, one big crowd get up around him on the seaside. Then one man named Jairus, we did in charge of one of the Jew them church, come which part Jesus did there. When him see him go down upon him knee in front of him beg Jesus, do, my little daughter I got dead. Do, me I beg you, come put your hand upon her and she will get better and live. So Jesus go with him. One big crowd go with him too. And them did a press hard against Jesus. One woman we did a suffer did in a crowd. For 12 years, she couldn't bleed. She go on whole heap of doctor, but none of them couldn't help her. She spent off all her money upon doctor bill, and instead of she get better, she only get worse. The woman did hear what people did say about Jesus. So she come up back at him in a crowd and touch him close. Cause she did say to herself, say, if me could have just touch him close, me would have get better. When she touch him, she bleed same time. And she feel in her body, say she get better. Same time, Jesus know, say the power we him have did make somebody better. So him turn around in a crowd and did a ask, who touch me clothes? Him follower them said to him, say, you know see the crowd of people we are pressed against you. So how you fi ask who touch you? But Jesus turned around and still a look to see who did touch him. The woman did afraid and a tremble cause she know what did happen to her. So she drop herself at him foot and tell him everything. So Jesus said to her, say, daughter, cause you believe in me, you're all right now. Go on with peace in your heart. Cause you're better now. Jesus did still attack when some people from Jairus' yard come to Jairus, the head for the Jew them church. Them tell him, say, your girl Pitney dead. What make you still a bother the teacher? But Jesus never paid them no mind. Him said to the head for the Jew them church, nobody afraid. Just believe. Jesus never make nobody go with him. Uncle Peter, James, and James' brother, John. When they reach Jairus' yard, him see the people them and make one bag of noise and I put on one piece of loud bawling. When Jesus go in, him said to them, say, when I bawl and I go and suffer, the picnic not dead, asleep, she asleep. And then start laugh after him. But Jesus sent everybody out of the house. Then him take the little girl, mother and father, and him three follow them and go in the room where the little girl did there. Then Jesus take time, hold the little girl on, and say to her, say, Talita, cum. That mean, little girl, get up. The little girl get up same time and start to walk around. She had about 12-year-old. Them we see what happened did shock so till. But Jesus ordered them trang. No fi tell nobody what happened. Then him tell them figure something for nyam. And God word this. Thank God.